Hi, in this video we will learn how to draw lines in Microsoft Word. You can draw straight lines, dashed lines or arrowed lines and also customize them easily. First, go to the Insert tab. Click on Shapes. Here you will see a Lines section. You can choose a simple straight line or different types of arrowed lines. I'll select the simple straight line. Now your cursor will change to a plus sign. Click anywhere in the document and drag to draw the line. You can move the line anywhere by clicking and dragging it. If you hold the Shift key while dragging, Word will restrict the movement to specific angles, helping you draw a perfectly straight line. Now you may notice that the line looks very thin. To edit or format the line, right-click on it and select Format Shape. On the right side, a formatting panel will appear. Here you have many options to customize the line. You can change the line color and also adjust the transparency if needed. The width option controls the thickness of the line. From compound type, you can change a single line into a double or triple line. Under dash type, you can select any dashed or dotted style you like. You can also add arrows by selecting options from Begin Arrow and End Arrow. Additionally, you can change the line from solid to gradient and even apply multiple colors using gradient options. To learn more useful tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.